faces, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna open this box. I got mail, friend mail, happy mail from my friend Randee, aka You Can Call Me Butter. You've probably seen her around in lives. You've probably checked out her channel, which I'll link below. But she sent me something for my birthday and it finally arrived and I'm so excited. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post diamond painting videos on a regular basis and I'd love to have you as part of my beehive. So let's open this baby up. So she was going to send me something for Valentine's Day, but I guess she never got around to going to the post office. So she also sent me something for my birthday and I've been waiting for this to come. I'm very excited. And I don't want to open it from the other side because I know both our addresses are on it. So let's open it from this side. Break into this box. Oh my goodness. You have no idea how excited I am. Okay, box. Why do you have so much tape? This is probably what people say when they open up packages from me because I use so much tape. I am a tape lover. Okay, so there's that. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. It's so sweet of her. She didn't have to send me anything, but she said she wanted to. So I'm very excited. And first, already, we have washi tape. Look at this cute washi. It is like a watercolor washi. Oh my goodness. This is so nice. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. We have a little gummy bear strawberry. Let me smell it. Is this wax? Oh my goodness. It's wax. Okay, what? Let me just dump this all out because I need to see, is there a card? Oh my god, Randee! Oh my goodness, what is going on? Randee! Happy birthday, Bev! Oh my goodness, okay, let me read the card first. Oh my gosh! This is so, oh my gosh, okay, I'm sorry, I'm like lost for words. So, come on, open up. Oh my goodness, she has her own freaking stationery. Randee, you are so fancy. Seriously, you're so fancy. Okay, let me read it off here. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. This makes me want to cry. Thank you so much, Randee. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's look at everything. Let's look at the small things first. So, I actually have Birkenstocks. That's awesome. These are so adorable. Unicorn milk. Even though I look like a burnt chicken nugget, I still love myself. For real, words. Yeah, for real. Yeet or be yeeted. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, thank you so much for the stickers. Oh, did you make this? This is so pretty. Oh, I like this a lot. Thank you so much. It's so pretty. Oh, Randee. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is Patty Wax. This is Patty Wax 2. Sugar, strawberry soda pop. Let me smell this. That smells good. That smells good. A cover minder. Oh my goodness! It's one of those, what are they called? Matryoshka? I don't know what they're called, but this is adorable. Thank you so much, Randee. And then there's the washi tape. Oh my god. Gummies. Okay, these are my favorite. Clayton really loves these too, but I'm not going to let him eat any. Okay, maybe he can just have one. Maybe I'll share with him. Maybe. But these are so good. And then we have some sparklers, 946AB. Thank you so much. Oh, these are pretty. Pretty. We have some Hershey's Kisses. We have another washi tape. Look, it's like a galaxy. That's so pretty. Oh, okay. Everything's so pretty. More Hershey's. A plate of wax, of heart wax. That's cute. And then we have some patty wax. Oh my goodness. This must be super sticky because I know that their super sticky comes in tins like this. Wow, thank you so much, Randee. I'm excited to try this. And then vanilla. Oh, I love vanilla. Let's smell it. Smell it, smell it. Oh my goodness. I've never had a patty wax before. Oh look, it comes with little stickers on top of it, or little like beads or something like that. They're little happy faces. Oh, it smells good. I can't wait to try this patty wax. Seriously, seriously, seriously. I am dying. I'm dead. I'm dead. Literally dead. Oh my god. And then, okay. Seriously? Oh, another thing of wax here. Oh my goodness, I have seen these. I'm like one of those people like, I've seen these on TV. Oh my goodness. These are from 3D Wilson Design. Oh my god, these are so pretty. I love the color, and they're stackable. Really? Wow. Okay, these are amazing. Thank you. I have heard such good things about these trays. Look, and they're stackable, and this one comes with a lid so you can like shake it all up when you need to pour it out. Comes with a spout. Oh my god, my diamond painting game has just exponentially increased. Wow. These are so pretty. Thank you so much, Randee. Like seriously, this is a really great birthday present. You didn't have to send me anything. I'm gonna start crying. Thank you so much, Randee. You are so sweet. Seriously, so sweet. Oh my god, I'm crying. I'm tearing up. Randee, you hit me in the emotions. These are so nice. Thank you so much for all of my treats, Randee. Seriously, this was so nice of you. So nice of you to send me a birthday present. Oh my god, I'm crying. Okay, I'm gonna gather myself. Thank you so much to Randee, aka You Can Call Me Butter. She is one of the sweetest people in the world. Just so thoughtful, and like she pays attention, because I was always saying like I've never tried patty wax before, or I can't order these trays because shipping to Canada is so expensive. And like gummy bears, chocolate stickers, washi tape, like these are all the things that I love. This cover minder is so adorable. I love it. Okay. And these little samples that you get when you order patty wax, like hello. I collect wax, if you didn't know, like I'm a wax fiend. So this is amazing, and this is amazing. I can try their super sticky as well. Okay, if you're new here, I would love it if you join my hive. Go ahead and click subscribe. I post new videos on a regular basis. And thank you again to Randee, aka You Can Call Me Butter. Go to her channel and subscribe. Link in the description below. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. And hopefully by then I've gathered myself, because I'm so emotional right now. P.S. Oh my god, I was just looking in the box to make sure I had everything out. And there was another card. Another card for Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day from your most inappropriate friend. It's true. She is pretty inappropriate. Okay, so let me look at this. I'm so glad we met, and I really enjoy you and your warped sense of humor. Aww. Didn't even have to think about it, did you? Randee Strand, aka Nutter, aka You Can Call Me Butter, because I call her Nutter. Thank you so much for the card. It's so cute. And I love that it's Valentine's Day, but it's like March, April already, but I still love it. Oh my god. Okay, I'm done now. I'm done. Bye, guys. Bye!